gonna have to turn. Hold on. We'll just ride out these little tiny waves.
So are we gonna turn that way?
We'll see. Oh, it feels nice. Here, I'm gonna just lift my leg up. Oh, there we go. Do you want to scoot down?
No.
No? Okay. You're okay. See? We're fine.
The battery died on this.
You're fine.
Oh, okay. That's just not.
See? It just swells. That's all it is. It's just random swells.
I recognize that area back over there. I think if we go if we have a bigger boat, I think we could be able to go over there.
Uh-huh.
Near the coast. Because that's where
We're just gonna go over these little ripples. Little ripples. See?
Those are waves.
All done.
Those are not ripples, those are waves.
Ugh, they were hardly waves. I would hardly call those waves.
Can we go backwards?
Can we go backwards?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I wonder if you go backwards and then turn that way, you actually hit the current to go that way. Are these fairy waves?
No, those are the waves from the second boat.
Oh, gee, I just looked down, straight down at the water.
Why? What's
And I was
wrong?
like, oh, wow, that's deep.
So one of the last times I was out here last year, there was a whale that showed up right there.
Oh my God.
It was so cool.
Yeah, keep on going.
Huh?
Keep on going backwards.
Keep on going backwards? Why?
I've seen people get hit by them.
No, we're fine.
I mean, I get it, you're from Alaska, and you've spent your whole entire life around boats.
Not my entire life, actually. In fact, less of my life has been spent around boats. I just grew up around boats, so I'm not afraid of the water because it just comes naturally.
For me.
I know, you're a city kid, but I'm gonna figure it out. One of these days, we're gonna figure out how to make you a nature boy. I already know you care about the environment.
I mean, I do.
So that's good. And you raise money for the coral reefs.
Yeah, but
So that's good.
That was just a class thing. I also, did you know cancer is harmful? Is actually. Ooh.
What? Those are just the waves.
But the tunnel side one.
No, they're coming from behind us. So we're kind of riding them. It's kind of like surfing, kayak surfing. Just a little bit.
My friend Nolly, he's been surfing before. Actually, he's been wave riding.
Mm-hmm. It's pretty cool, huh?
And he doesn't he doesn't do waves like this because they're too tall.
Mm-hmm.
But remember under this bow, he does waves much bigger than that. There's a boat coming and
Yeah, it's not gonna run us over. It sees us.
Ow, my ankles are really.
See, they're not going fast. They're going slow.
That's slow. That's a little bit fast. That's like me. Sorry, I gotta just sit there.
Mm-hmm. Alexander, here. No, we're not gonna flip over.
We're not gonna capsize?
No, we're not gonna capsize.
Are those waves?
See? It just kind of nudges us. It looks bad, but it's not bad.
Not that bad. Okay, now can we go backwards? Are we floating backwards or forward?
We're just kind of floating in place. Oh, look down. You can see the bottom of the ocean.
I know.
Pretty cool, huh? That's pretty cool. I think that's cool. Oh my goodness. You in waters? You in
I
waters?
don't care about swimming pool.
Oh, put your hands in. It feels so good.
No, I have my mask.
It feels so good.
No. Dad, there's big waves over there.
Yeah, they're not coming to us, dude. You can chill now.
And those are also big waves.
Yeah.
Should we just go directly? I think the first
He could have gone a little slower. It's okay though. We'll be okay. You know, we can always have lunch in the kayak too.
No, I want to be on land.
No, you want to be on land.
Dad, I am serious.
We're just gonna go up and down. Up and down.
This feels like my
Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. See? We're through. That wasn't bad, now was it?
Okay, yeah, but can we go backwards towards shore?
Well, you know, once you get to the shore, they make waves because the water, it comes and it'll hit land and then it builds up. So the waves would be worse on land.
I know, but I kind of want
Well, if we're gonna go and park the boat, we need to park it on the other side where the cove is, and that way it's protected against the waves from when the boats make the waves.
Okay. After you kind of get to it, like just calm waters, it's not as bad, but after you get used to this, it's not as bad. But then if you're like I'm getting ready to get because I need to walk. I've been sitting for too long. I know why they actually made the big party. It's because there was this guy who the boat was too big, so he had to get on a gig, and he went to the harbor. So it's called Gig Harbor. Because a gig can just barely fit through. Those are not. Oh, that's cool. So we're just.
I'm gonna ride these waves on in.
Those are actually some big waves.
Hold on. Whew. We made it.
There's a lot of crazy people.
Now we're